Alright, so I got some yogurt, and then some cereal and Chinese spaghetti mixed up, and then a potato, and then some spaghetti, or saucy pasta, and then some more potatoes here. And then I got chicken, and then I'm going to put popcorn out, and then I'm also got these French fries all dipped in water, and I also have more dipped in water, and then I have some peanut M&Ms. And then I have some beans, and then 2 slabs of corn. Here we go. Alright, here we go. I got Reese's, I got a mix of Chinese spaghetti and some cereal, and then some potatoes, and then I got a couple pieces of frozen beans that are, kind of need to melt a little bit, and then I also got some pasta, or spaghetti, that's spaghetti right there, and yogurt, and then a few rib bones and popcorn, and then some, that's French fries dipped in water, more French fries, because there's also French fries right there, and that's stuck together because it was in the water last time. And then a couple pieces of corn. Alright, so I'm going to feed the birds. Here we go. Alright, so here we go. I got some M&Ms, some cereal, sloppy yogurt, a rib bone, some potatoes, some beans mixed in with potatoes, rice, spaghetti, popcorn, and then behind that I got some water dipped in water, and then I got more French fries, and then 2 corn cobs for the French fries dipped in water, that is. Alright, so I'm going to feed the birds now. So most of the spaghetti and the French fries are eaten by the sparrows that are up on that telephone wire right now, even though you can't really see them. But they were eating some of that bread right there, and usually I see crows usually eat it by now, so they haven't been around, so maybe they'll be around at some point, who knows. But I'm going to feed the birds now. Here we go. Without any further ado, I got cereal right there, and then I got some yogurt, and then spaghetti, and then a few potatoes right there, and then I got some chicken and ham and skin, and some onion ring right there, and then I got rice, and then I got popcorn, and then I got french fries dipped in water, more seasoned french fries, and then some Reese's all the way over here. Here we go. There was also crow eating this corn that I left out overnight. And you can see it's already partially eaten. And I thought there was another piece of corn here, but I guess not. I thought I had another one that was already eaten. Maybe one of the night creatures, one of the raccoons or something took that one. But I know there was a second one here, but it didn't have any corn on it. Well, anyways, I'm going to start feeding the birds. Here we go.